An Excel to VCF converter allows you to convert contact data from an Excel spreadsheet into a VCF format. VCF stores details like names and phone numbers. The Softaken Excel to vCard converter is a popular tool with a user-friendly interface, making it easy even for non-technical users to operate. This tool allows quick conversion of contacts from Excel files to vCard format. It maintains original folder structures. With this converter, you can easily import contacts into devices like Android, iPhone, and BlackBerry by converting to vCard format. The converter supports Microsoft Excel versions 2010 to 2021 and runs on Windows 7 to 11. It prevents duplicate contacts during conversion. If you encounter any issues with the software, our support staff is available 24/7 to assist you.